Doing the Cadillac Cts front brakes, 19mm lug nuts. Once you take off your tire, there's two 17s. One there, one at the bottom down there, which will allow you to remove your caliper. We're going to do that now. Alright, remove your two 17s. Pry off your caliper. Alright, pistons have been compressed. Install your new brake pads. Reinstall your caliper. Put back in your two number 17s. Put back on your wheel. Pump your brake pedal before you move, and that's the Cadillac CTS front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.